So today we are playing Project Sekai and no face, because obviously my parents would scold at me if I reveal my face. So yeah, let's start playing Project Sekai. The lemonade at Mexico's place is so stylish, it's great for your throat, too, since it has honey in it. Wow, that's cool. Sorry, I'm studying so much now. So let's start playing, and yeah. I think I want the country. Happy synthesizer, why not? Let's play. Let's start playing. Yeah, I am doing. I cannot curse. I am so sorry about that. Yeah, also I wanted to say that I'm a beginner and I really don't know how to play this Project Sekai yet. So yeah, if I play very badly, that's not my fault. Also, please don't take it as rude, but I did not mean to say it like that. So yeah, it's starting and let's play I like this music. It's kind of nice. I said putting on the music. Yeah. Happy synthesizer, and I agree with copyright. Please, YouTube, do not give me copyright. I swear to God, I'm listening. So I just think, I can focus. Don't mind the background. Loud, I think. I did pretty good. Not gonna lie, I actually did pretty good on my first try. Also, the loading was very wrong. Like, very long, by the way. But I am happy for my first time how I did. Like, I did it good. So, bye guys. I know this was just a 4-minute short video, but I do not have much time since I have to go eat food. So bye guys, see y'all later next video.